My name is Kalpesh Chaudhari. I am in 10th standard and I am from South Indian English School. Today I am going to introduce you two topics. My first topic is hologram and the second topic is kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscope works on the principle of multiple reflection, and for making this kaleidoscope I have used 3 mirrors. With those 3 mirrors I have also used some broken bangles. So the kaleidoscope is works on the principle of multiple reflections. So kaleidoscope is used in the field of fashion designing, also for taking photos of various patterns. So the kaleidoscope is nothing but it is said as an optical toy. So now let's see what is the meaning of kaleidoscope. So kaleidoscope is nothing but kalos meaning is beautiful, eidos meaning is form, and scopos meaning is watcher. So it is nothing but it is like beautiful form of watcher. If you see in it, you will have a beautiful form of beautiful patterns. Now let's see it. And for making different patterns, you have to just like do this. Okay. So now we will move to our second topic, which is our hologram. So hologram is nothing but it is an prism which is used for recording 3D videos, 3D movies and many things. So hologram is used like this. See, in this glass So for making this hologram, I have used nothing but there are 4 glass slides, and in front of those glass slides there is an display. In that display the video is going to playing, and due to those videos it is getting reflect to this mirror, and the image which is formed in this display is getting formed in this glass. So hologram is like holo means whole and gramma means message. So whole message it comes in that prism. This was a Greek word. Thank you.